Hi all, here is one more video. The definition of the polynomial. So the algebraic expression only we are calling with the another name polynomial. So polynomial is an algebraic expression which includes constant term, variable and also the exponents. So here I have written some example for the polynomial. So x cube plus y cube plus 5x is one of the polynomial which has two variable. xy is xyz is another polynomial which has three variables. So how to identify whether it is a polynomial or not mean? There are few conditions. The first condition, I am writing an example for that. 4x square plus 3x to the power minus 1 minus 4. So when you observe the example which I have given here, four x square plus 3x to the power minus 1. The first term power is a square. It's not a problem. When you observe the second term power, it is a negative. So, in an algebraic expression, if there is a negative power, we are not calling them as a polynomial. So, this particular expression I have given here, it's not a polynomial. So, what is the first condition we are saying? The power of the expression, the power of the variable always should be a positive number. There should not be a negative number, there should not be a decimal or the fraction, and always we are expecting a positive integer. Suppose for example 3x to the power 3 by 2, 2x minus 3. If you check, if you observe this expression, again the power of the first variable x is given as a 3 by 2. So if the power is apart from the positive integer, if it is a square root of numbers or fractional numbers or a decimal numbers, if it occupies a power, then we are calling them as a not a polynomial. If everything in a left hand side, I have given some example. If you observe these examples, if you observe, the power of the each term is a positive integer. So, the left hand side examples are a polynomial and the right hand side examples are not a polynomial. And one more thing, extension of a polynomial is polynomial with one variable. In 8th standard, we learn with any variable, any power. In 9th standard, we are using only the polynomial with one variable. Here I have written x cube plus y, and the right hand side I am writing x square plus x. So when you observe the left hand side and the right hand side I have given two variable and the powers are positive only, so they are polynomial. A, B, C. So here also the power is a positive only, so it is a polynomial, but it has more than two variables. When you observe the right hand side, the power is a positive only, so it's a polynomial, and also we are observing how many variables I have used. So here I have used x square and then x. So x square and the x are the same variable, but power alone changing. And the second example, only x to the power 5 I have given. So right hand side we are calling them as a polynomial with one variable, and the left hand side we are calling them as a polynomials with many variables. So today in this class we learn what is polynomial and what is not a polynomial, and then what do you mean by polynomial with one variable and polynomial with a many variables. So in the next class we will see the continuation of this concept. Thank you all. Bye bye.